we are in our kitchen, and I'm going to give you a little tour of our kitchen. You can see it's quite small. This is not what you would find on most cooking shows, for example. People that do this professionally in a restaurant or on a cooking show will generally have a kitchen that is designed specifically for what they are doing. A cooking show kitchens usually have the stove and everything set up, the counter set up in a way that they can face you and you're on the other side of the counter. This is our working kitchen. This is not a professional cooking show. This is my home kitchen. And the idea is to show you how easy it is for you to do things in your home kitchen and to give you a sense of how you might lay things out and do them. I mean, you can really see that there's our living room, there's our dining room. It's a small kitchen. And so if I can do these things with my limited experience cooking in this tiny kitchen, you can too. It really doesn't matter what kitchen you have or where you live. Just get in the kitchen and do it and have fun.